Welcome guys. Let's do band protocol technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my all new charts and targets. Current rank of band protocol is 293 and price of band protocol is $7.65 right now. It is Ethereum based token ordered by Certic. Market cap of band protocol is $269 million. Fully diluted market cap of band protocol is 763 million. 24-hour trading volume of band protocol is 62 million and circulating supply of band protocol is 35 million and maximum supply of band protocol is 100 million. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I am going to show you charts. All-time high of band protocol was on April 15, 2021, about 8 months ago, and price was $23. All-time low of this token was on November 25, 2019, about 2 years ago, and price was just 20 cents. Band protocol return on investment is 1546%, which is very huge. And what is band protocol? Let me please show you. Band protocol is a cross-chain data oracle platform that is able to take real-world data and supply it to on-chain applications while also connecting APIs to smart contracts to facilitate the exchange of information between on-chain and off-chain data sources. And it is available on these exchanges, Binance and Huobi Global and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab $5,680 bonuses of these exchanges. These are absolutely free bonuses. Just register with my affiliate links, and after deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. This is band protocol website. Secure, scalable blockchain, agnostic, decentralized oracle. And this is some technical information. Please visit this website by your own and please do your own research before buying this token. This is website and it is very important token to me. That is why I am making this video. Here you can see. Let me please show you first chart of band protocol. It is band protocol USDT pair 4-hour chart, and currently it is in this falling wedge. Price of band protocol is $7.68 right now. This is upper trend line, this is low trend line. Once it broke this, in that case next target would be this, and it is at $8.17. After that next target would be this area, 8.75. After that $9, 9.48, 9.96 and 10.51. These all are immediate short-term targets. Band protocol hit these targets within some days, and if unfortunately price goes down, in that case there is a strong resistance is at $7 and is at $6.71. Let me please show you some major indicators. Volume is very low. We need strong volume confirmation. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above $7.86, in that case it is ready to hit for next big move. We have to wait. Let me please show you RSI. 4-hour RSI is at 46. It have to cross 50 in order to move towards upside, and after that price definitely will go up. And MACD crossover towards downside, and now towers are changing their color. After crossover towards upside, there will be a huge move towards upside, but for this we have to wait. Let me please show you my second chart. This is daily chart, and here you can see this is main trend line, and it is at $7.67 right now. It is in between $7.03 to $8.24 price area. Once it broke this 8.24 resistance, in that case price can easily hit this zone, and this will be a very good move. And you can say our first target will be 8.24 in daily chart, second target is 9.24 in daily chart, third target is 9.58 in daily chart, after that 10.55 and 11.30. These are the targets. And if unfortunately price goes down, in that case $7 and $6.72, these are major support zones, and after that major support zone is at $6 price zone. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume, we need strong volume. In daily there is some volume, but we need strong volume. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candle are still from below from this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above $8.30 price zone, and after that price definitely will move towards upside. We have to wait. Let me please show you some other indicators. Daily RSI is below 50 and it is bearish sign. We have to wait until it crosses 50. In that case price will move up. And let me please show you MACD crossover towards upside, but now towers are changing their color. We have to wait until big move comes and until big volume comes in daily chart. Until now we have to wait. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. Let me please adjust this chart. These yellow dots are main CPR indicators and main CPR support lines, and it is at $8.63. Once price cross $8.63 price zone, these blue dots are monthly CPR bullish targets. In that case, first monthly bullish target is 9.92, second monthly bullish target is $12.20, and third monthly bullish target is $13.85. These are monthly bullish targets. Until now we have to wait until it crosses $8.60 price zone. In that case definitely it have to hit these targets. Let me please show you my final chart, which is weekly chart. It is in between $6.94 to $10.64 price area. Our first target is $10.64 in weekly chart, and once it closes candle above $10.70 roundabout, in that case next target would be this area, $10.32 price area, and after that $18 and $20. These are the targets, and there is a strong support is at $6.94. If unfortunately band protocol broke this, in that case it can go down to $4.19, but I don't think so. I think it can move towards upside and hit my targets. And let me please show you target for this bull run. Let me please show you. Let me please fix it. Here you can see we are still in bearish zone, and we have to wait until it crosses this zone. This zone 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is at $11 price area. Once it crosses this, in that case next area is 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is at let me please show you, $13 price zone, and after that 0.61, which is at $15 price zone, after that 0.78, which is at $18 price zone, and after that one, which is $22 price zone. And let me please show you target of this bull run. I think $30 to $35 price zone is very safe zone, and it can hit this target within this bull run, and I think so it can easily hit this target. And these are my targets for this bull run, and I think it can hit $30, maybe $35 in this bull run. This is my final target. Thanks for the watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, and Bybit $3,500 bonus, and KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. Total bonuses are $5,680. Once you collect these bonuses, you can trade with these bonuses. These are tradable bonuses. Put your seed money away and trade with these bonuses only. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.